Hello and good evening, friends. I'm Sneha Mishra from Growth Beats and Numru Yogi. So today we are going to talk about a very special and important topic that relates to every woman. Becoming a mother is a very special thing that happens to every woman. So we are going to understand about a relationship of these 9 months through the lens of numerology. So today we are going to invite our guest Sumit Kumar Tyagi ji. Welcome, Sumit Kumar Tyagi ji. Very welcome. So, Sumit Kumar Tyagi ji has more than 27 years of experience into occult science, and also he is a very passionate and researcher in numerology, and also he is known as Numero Yogi on the Facebook. So, at first, I want to know about like what motivated you to choose this topic.
What motivates so Snehaji, motivation is my own mother, and motivation all the mothers of this world to whom I simply naman. And I would like to start today's topic, the PPT, with the Gita's one very beautiful sloka. This sloka is given at chapter 2 and verse 22. It's given in Sanskrit that vasansi जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि grahati naroparani तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णा नयनयानि संयाति नवानि देहि. I'll have to give the meaning also so that everybody could just the gist meaning. As a person sheds worn out garments and wears and new ones, likewise at the time of death, the soul casts off its worn out body and enters in a new one. मतलब जैसे आत्मा शरीर छोड़ देती है, जब शरीर पुराना हो जाता है तो एक नए शरीर की तलाश करती है और इसी से ये जीवन मरण की प्रक्रिया चलती रहती है. So Sneha ji, coming back to the topic that why and how I have chosen this topic, what motivated me, I feel like that I'm not a person from a medical field, still from the occult field, and how I see the pregnancy of these 9 months through the lens of numerology. I have made some, I must say, that's amateur attempt or efforts to explain this topic, and we can directly come to the topic through our PPT. So, Snehaji, I just want to understand what you people, because ours is a first association with the Growth Beat, and today you have come as a like a host. So, what this Growth Beat is into? Because by the time I'm opening my PPT.
Yeah, so Growth Beats is majorly into PR.
Mhm.
We serve public relation services.
Great, that's great.
Yeah,
So our platform will also be getting benefited out of it, I think.
yeah.
Good association we have with you. So I'm just sharing one PPT and with the same topic, and if you could just see, is this visible,
Yeah,
Snehaji?
yeah, it's visible now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the first page. You could see a child just kissing the what say the womb of her mother, and it's like the entire world is awaiting, the family is awaiting those beautiful moments. I try to capture through the numerology and these numbers and planets. So my topic is numerology and 9 months of pregnancy. I directly come to the first part, how it is connected to. And I would want to clarify, most of the people understand 9 months. I'm gonna show you 10 months. You may also be surprised to know that why I'm saying 10 months. Snehaji, you also must have heard the 9 months only.
Yeah, yeah.
So human pregnancy, as you could see, 280 days normally considered from the medical point of view. And these are the 9 solar months. As we all understand, from January to December, we count like 30 days, 31 days or so. But the moment we count from the lunar point of view or from the moon's point of view, the lunar month is of 28 days. And the moment you count 28 days multiply by 10, it comes to 280 days. Why I have taken lunar months? Why not solar months like normally everybody would count in the medical field? because lunar month is significant as there is an apparent connection between the menstrual cycle and moon. I think we have many guests. We discussed many a times in numerology. We're going to come up with like Siddharthi is there and other numerologists. They understand, and being a woman, you also understand the menstrual cycle is connected to the moon. The condition of the moon in astrological chart, it determines that how that this menstrual cycle of a particular woman will go on. Now, which are the other important parts are that like all the numbers, like I have given a very abbreviated form, like BN. BN is a birth number. Like somebody is born on 1st January, the BN is 1. Birth number is 1. DN. DN is a destiny number. If you add 1st of January 2021, so I will add 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. The total will come 5, 6, 7. So the destiny will be of 7. ZN. That which particular month, the solar month in particularly, or the zodiac that person is like January, you will take Aquarian. Then FNN. I'm sorry, these very technical abbreviation I'm using. FNN is a first name, like your Sneha Mishra and my Sumit Tyagi. The first name is FNN, first name number. So we convert this number into alphabetical or alphabet into numbers. Then we use it as a FNN. And the NN means the full name, the total of the full name. So these all are vital for the progeny. Running age is also important, like some, as you must have seen in India, what is the normal age of becoming mother? Like, I think it starts from the age of, Snehaji?
22.
22.
Yeah.
22, 24, 30,
Yeah.
some little late age also.
Yeah, yeah.
So all these running ages from numerological point of view are very important. So like somebody becoming mother at the age of 22 or 26. Yeah. From our point of view in numerology, there's a impact of these running age also. I'll demonstrate on that. And lastly, I have put, though it's not very positively, I have put it, abortions, miscarriage, and medical termination also can be seen from the numbers and name of mother. So I'm going to touch that topic as well. Yeah. So Snehaji, this is the first month. First month of pregnancy is governed by number 6. As we all are aware, Snehaji, when a husband and wife, they come together in Western society, not marrying or marrying, it's immaterial. However, a male and a female, they come together, and I'm talking the first lunar month of 28 days. How it starts? Cohabitation is ruled by number 6, and the beautiful love moment between husband and wife. Sperm and ovum, they combine to produce embryo. These are scientific term I'm using. Ovaries is also ruled by number 6. That is also number 6. And good numbers of mother helps in the progeny. Which are the good number and bad number? Many times, many numerologists have given in their topics. And good or bad may be determined considering the date of birth. Like suppose, Snehaji, what's your date of birth? Just putting a question. I'm just putting a question just to explain.
31/12/1991.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's not good to ask women.
No, that's fine.
So 31/12/1991. So your BN means birth number is 3 plus 1, 4. 12 is your month and 1991. If I add this complete, so whatever the total will come, so your numbers will be different than the other people. So your good or bad number, lucky or unlucky number will be determined based on your date of birth and the name. And hence, as a numerologist, if somebody is considering and advising that which number will be good or bad in this first month or cohabitation period or so, it can be determined seeing the date of birth and the name of the person or the native we call. This stage when the embryo is there and the child comes to this world of the mother's womb. This fetus, it is called fetus, is just 1/4 inch smaller than the rice. Facial features start to develop. A good number 6 in the date of birth may help in the production of children. This is the first month. Anything you want to ask about this first month? I am seeing this number 6, which is governed by Venus. Venus is the planet starts this creation. the birth of human being.
So, what will precaution you will suggest to like for first month according to numerology? Yeah.
Numerology, according to numerology, okay. If suppose somebody is not having good Venus, or suppose what do I mean by good Venus or bad Venus? So suppose a person is having in the birth Venus, birth number as a BN, but NT numbers are also present in the form of a destiny number or the name numbers. In such situation, what can be done is that a person can chant or prayer the Venus, planet Venus. There is a Bij mantra that can be chanted, and there are other remedies which are given in the astrology or our religious scriptures can be followed. This is what is needed to for the first month. Now coming to the second month. Snehaji's second month is also very vital. Why it is vital? Because here shape of body of this fetus, facial features, little fold of skin, little fold of skin at the side of head, means that first the initial stage of the head, cells of fetal becoming stronger. And this particular month is governed by number 9, Mars. Some of my numerologist friend can ask, but who and how these things are determined. These are given in the scriptures of astrology, and I feel like connectivity between the numbers, numerology, and the astrology, and that's why I'm using it. In addition to that, Snehaji, can you read it that? What are the other things you could see? This beautiful number 2, neural tube. Could you see that?
Yeah.
So neural tube start shaping means that neurological pattern of this fetus. Brain, spinal cord, central nervous system, that is the most important, which controls our entire body. And bones start to replace this cartilage. So number 9's presence and a good placement helps fetal to grow. Again, the same question. I think you would want to ask, what precaution? There's a precaution, according to me, number 9 is little tricky number. Many of my numerologists and astrologer friends can say that number 9, oh my God, it can cause abortion because it is governed by Mars, a hot planet. As the earlier Venus was a water planet, the element was water. But so far the 9 number is concerned, which is the Mars, I must say that even in the second month, many a time it happened, it has caused the abortion. A person or a native or a female or the mother, prospective mother, they may be overconfident. Oh, they are so excited to become mother or so. So number 9 can cause or can, I must say that it can provoke a native to commit a mistake. Being a female, if somebody is pregnant, do you think that they are advised to do adventures, Snehaji? Then I'll respond to your question. Are they advised to do some adventure, sports, etc., or not?
No, I would not recommend.
You not recommend.
Yeah.
So if I see from the numerology point of view, even that is not recommended in the second month, which is governed by number 9. Yeah. Any question, Snehaji? I know it's getting little technical, but you may definitely put.
No, as of now.
Precaution?
Yeah, for second month also you can suggest some like precaution or suggestion for the people.
Okay. So I talked about the Bij mantra in the first month of Venus. I'll again give the same remedy, but of Mars, number 9. Besides, I would say that adventurous steps and activities can be avoided. And particularly, which is, I think, our grandmothers and maternal and paternal, both the side would always advise this month avoid the what you call things like which are having the fiery nature, like anything which is like ginger. is one of the product, if I could mention, or anything which is too hot, it may affect the fetus because the number 9 mass itself is in the process of making the shape of body. This is,
Yeah.
yes, Nehaji. We can proceed to the next number.
Yeah.
So it's a beautiful month, number 3. Why I'm saying beautiful, you could see, and I'm again using it's a lunar month. The viewer should not be confused with this solar month of 30, 30, 60 days. We are still reaching to 28 plus 28 and then 28. This is the third 28 days lunar month. Why it's beautiful, I'm saying, because here is the period when number 3, the Lord Jupiter, which governs this lunar month, start making the body. The body like I have, you have, this entire world, 700 crore people are having. This is the period, a very vital period, when the body start getting or becoming a body making period, if I could say. Arms, hands, fingers, feet, mouth, and the reproductive system under this month. Then expansion of and shape of body. It is not only because you could see the fetus was 1/4 of inch, like lesser than the rice shape of body. Fetus starts responding. Now this fetus start responding to the parents, like the mother could feel it to some extent. I'm not saying that great extent it would be responding to. And in the numerological point of view, presence of number 3, good placement in date of birth or the name, it helps in making good body of the fetus. You can see my body or like body of many people. Good body means a good shaped body without any defect, without any kind of issues. And this is the most important because Snehaji, you must have seen many people, those who are not having full body parts, like one hand is not there, the leg is not there, or any kind of defect is there. Have you noticed that, this kind of people?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. So according to me, the numerology or what I understand, a very little understanding and knowledge of this subject, Jupiter may be worshipped. Number 3, if is not placed properly in the date of birth and the name, or if it is not there, or there is any issue. So in addition to Sneha, I can say that Jupiter is also related to the parents or the aged people of the family. If the prospective mother respects the parents, parents, own parents and parents in laws as well, both the mother and father, then their blessings can, I must say, give the positive effect to this third month of pregnancy, the third lunar month of pregnancy.
So, what all suggestion you would like to give them for
My,
third month?
okay, my suggestion would be, since the body is getting shaped, normally either from father or from mother. Okay, so both the parents should try to be with the prospective mother so that their impression, their resolves, their virtues, their qualities, their genes, the child genes, I am saying little exaggerated way, but yes, whatever they discuss, whatever the mother feels, if she is suppressed, there's a possibility the child may also get affected to its body, like it may get affected. So putting a what they call a tilak, yellow tilak of chandan on the forehead, or donating to the poor, respecting the old people, and finally, as I always have been suggesting, a beej mantra of Jupiter. If it is wrongly placed, not good placed, or not there, or there is a what you can say friction or a conflict of 3 and other numbers. This is what I think is needed. Let us move to the next slide.
Yeah, let's come.
Yeah. This is really a period of a caution, if I can say. This is the first period of caution I heard from the medical field experts as well as I read also. This is the fourth lunar month of 28 days. and this is governed by number one, that is sun. Sun is the soul karak, we all know, because our soul and we being the soul are represented through number one, that is sun. So soul energy, or we call in Hindi the Chetana, the soul energy starts working for the baby's consciousness, that's fetus consciousness. And consciousness comes with the intelligence. Nervous system start functioning, which was being built at the first or second month. This starts functioning. Reproductive organs and genitalia are fully developed. This is the period many illiterate people and those who like differentiate between gender, like male or boy or a girl, so they try to uh, get the what they call uh, knowledge of gender, which is illegal otherwise as per law, and one must not, because whatever the nature and God is giving, we must accept it with a full heart. Besides, this particular month also gives, or the sun gives us strength of the body, bone and muscles. They also start get strength. Fetus, eyelids, eyebrows, teeth, hair become denser. They are already there, but they become denser. A good number one in the date of birth helps soul to get good body and mind. Body and mind I have used. First time I use the word mind. So I think you are seeing something, a precaution written, Snehaji, in the black color.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Tell me what doubt is coming seeing it. A disturbed number one. You're seeing it?
Yeah.
So
So
disturbed.
why this number one is disturbed?
Yeah. Very, very, very vital question. It may get disturbed if it is in numerology, if it is in connection with the disharmonized number or the conflict number. Like suppose one is there, like I'm born one. If my destiny or in the name or so, any number which is in conflict with one, it could be number 8, it could be number 6. So mainly these two, there may be other also, or 4. I think numerologists may not be agreeing to it because 4 and 7 considered to be a friend of number 1. 4 is Rahu, 7 is Ketu, 8 is Saturn. So people apparently feel number 1 and 8 are enemy to each other or in disharmony. I feel, personal feeling, that even 4 and 7 number to some extent at the time of growth in the fourth month may cause disturbance, and which may result into abortion or the combination. Other combination also required. It's not saying only the 1 4 are there, it is going to happen, or 1 7 are there, but these numbers are having tendency. You know, Snehaji, in a lighter way, I call these 4 7 8 as Rakesh. I'm sorry, those who are having the name Rakesh should not mind it. I'm so sorry in advance. Rakesh is Rahu is Ra, Ketu is K, and Shani is Shah. Rakesh has a tendency to cause disturbance many a times during this growth. And that's why I put it in the black color, a precaution.
So what will be the remedy for this?
Remedy.
Yeah.
Like in Hindu scripture or our Vedic scripture, you must have heard it, pouring water to the rising sun in the morning. That can be done. Uh, Abiding the law, something, because sun is governed, the rule of the law or law of the land is also necessary. Also to respect to the seniors, seniors not confined to the parents or the family members, but our seniors also. If we respect our bosses, our seniors, and the law, I feel like besides the Bij mantra again of the sun can be chanted if this is disturbed, and pouring the water in the morning to the rising sun. These are the few remedies. Because of the time constant, I'm not getting into other remedies, but these are the few which I could point out. Can move to the next slide.
Yeah.
This is the period you could see first time number 2 has come up. Number 2 is governed by moon. Moon is our mind. Our moods, all emotions are governed by number 2. So this is the 5th month of pregnancy, governed by number 2 of 28 days, again lunar month, not taking the solar month. Mind and emotions start functioning of this fetus or this kid. Mind and emotions. Circulatory system of fetus is developed. Blood and blood cells start functioning. Hair growth on baby's head, baby's skin is covered with the whitest coating. This is something, a development you could see. And emotional self of fetus, and it can be understand, it can understand the emotions and expressions. This is the beautiful period where the emotions of this fetus are connected with the mother, and mother can also feel the same emotion many times as the fetus is feeling. But I again put a red mark, if you could see at the bottom.
Yeah.
You see what is
Yeah,
written
mother
over there?
could, yeah, mothers should be careful during the period of eclipse.
Eclipse,
Up.
Amavasya, and new moon.
Yeah.
You know why I put this? Why I put this?
No, I don't.
Eclipse, something is in our traditional way, a lot of people may not be agreeing, the progressive people. It may affect because the moon eclipse and the sun eclipse are when this in astrological point of view, number 2 comes in the connection with the Rahu 2 and 4, which is enemy otherwise in astrology and numerology. Amavasya, the full black night, or the new moon. These are the period when the moon is in a transforming phase, in a transforming phase, and our moods are also governed, and particularly as the body is having around 70% of water, is governed by the what they call stages of the moon. So this is the period of a precaution or a caution for the prospective mothers. They should try to avoid negative, passive, or such kind of emotions which may affect the fetus. They should try to be balanced, peaceful, meditative, or positive things they can think and they can read and they can listen. So this is the time when emotions play a vital role. Snehaji, what do you think that a pregnant lady, just asking a normal question, what is the role of emotions in the family? Because there is a possibility of an atmosphere which is not very cordial, not very harmonious. Don't you think it can affect the mother and the fetus both? It can affect. Okay. So thank you. Let us move to this. We covered 5 lunar months. Next slide, please.
Yeah.
This is a very controversial number, and I have put it at this 6th month of the lunar month. Mistakenly, it is written 5th lunar month, but it's a 6th lunar month of 28 days. You can see it heading. And this is governed by number 8. And I put it with the color black. I know that a lot of prejudices also there against Saturn. The number 8, Saturn, and how it is important. We to keep accusing and abusing this planet, this number 8, but Saturn helps in building of body phase. This is the phase where building of body is being built. Skin is getting reddish in color. Wrinkled and veins are visible through baby's skin. This is the period. Baby's fingers and toe prints are visible. Eyelids begins to part and open. This is the time. The movement starts. Bones, nervous system, supporting frame of body, hair, nails, etc. They grow. Now, Snehaji, I know that you're gonna read that bottom part warning.
Yeah.
You know why I put this warning?
Please give some idea.
If weak number 8, again a question would come: how it become weak? How it can become weak? In mother's numbers and name, the 8 numbers may be pure 8, 17, particularly 26. I treat 26 as a weak number. 35, not as, but 44 is weak. It may be in the name. Fetus may get affected. Energy of number 8 can be balanced by prayer of Saturn and donations, etc. The moment I say weak, it means that either itself weak, weak means like as I given the example of number 26, or there is a possibility like 8 with the animical number, like birth number or destiny, there is an enmity, or a birth number, the name number, there is an enmity. In such situations, in the 6th lunar month, there is a possibility of the fetus may get affected. And these are the things which I explained over here. These may not be properly developed. And therefore, if Saturn is weak, it's always good to pray, Bij Mantra, donation to the poor people, and to respect the oldest family members, like your grandparents or the poor people, or your people, those servant, like your drivers, your servants, your maid. These are the people governed by Saturn. And I must say that we, if respecting these people, taking care of these people can help in this month. What should not be done? So Nehaji, what should not be done in this month? In this month, the prospective mother should not try to insult others, should not try to what you call uh, not give justice in the form of, if somebody desire, like I give an example, a maid at home and she is unwell, could not come 3 days or 4 days in a month, and you are running in the 6th month, maybe in any month, I am particularly taking sixth lunar month, you try not to cut the salary, because that is going to affect the mindset of this lady, and Saturn is being affected to some extent. You understood, Snehaji?
Yes.
We can move to the next lunar month, 7th lunar month. This is governed by our Chanchal Mercury, or number 5. Baby can think. Thinking start in this 7th lunar month of 28 days. Then the nervous system and the brain development of this baby is developed during this month. Baby is aware of its body. Now the baby start realizing self, that I'm in existence. It can receive messages from others. This is the time when people talking in the family, discussing something, can be heard of by the baby, and something what is good or bad is happening in the environment can be perceived and understood by the baby. 7 months. Baby can feel intelligence and awareness. This is the consciousness stage. Conscious came in the 4th, but exercising of this consciousness starts in this month. Mother may chant if suppose a Mercury is, or number 5 is imbalanced. It can balance number 5. There are ways in numerology which can be used, or chant Mercury Bij Mantra in case it is imbalanced. So, Snehaji, what impact may be of the environment? Like suppose you laugh hearing this, that these mobiles nowadays are consuming a lot of our times. The mothers are just putting their time watching and seeing anything or everything which is coming. I must say that thinking would be there of the baby and mother, like the mother thinks that there's impact is gonna come on the fetus also, but not everything should be simply watched. Not simply like there's a suppose a movie going on, there's a violence in that, or something which is vulgar to, or something which is not required to be at this very vulnerable stage to be shown to the, or to be understood or perceived by this fetus. 7th month is important from that point of view. Snehaji, even to us also, like we see some accident or something which is disturbing, we get impacted out of it. What do you think, like, of baby in the seventh lunar month? The films or violence or news which are just causing tantrum, drama, or so, are they not going to affect the fetus?
They will affect.
They will affect them.
Yeah.
So we should try, besides the remedies which are precautionary or which may be needed to, otherwise also try to be to read and watch positive things, so that the thinking of the baby is developed positive, not negative, and the brain is developed. So let us move to the next slide. This is the 8th month of pregnancy. A lot of darkness I could see in this pic, the behind. And this lunar month of 28 days, the 8th lunar month, this period of a complete personality of fetus. The bodily development is almost done at this stage. This is governed by Saturn. So, 8th lunar month, I'm sorry, not governed by Saturn, I'm correcting it. This is governed by the BN, DN, and FNN. Those I explained in the first chart. Means no planet per se, because the fetus is now complete. Here the birth number, destiny number, first name number of the mother, the role of that number comes. So protection of fetus and mother, this is that period. So if the birth number, destiny, and first name number are in conflict or not in harmony, there is a possibility that despite the kid is, like, the fetus is complete, and in the next month it is about to come to this world, any mistake, because connected B and DN is connected to the mother per se. I said that these numbers, birth numbers of mother. So anything, any mistake, anything, any wrong done by the mother, it may cause, I think, means there is no, this is the disastrous month if 8 months, because we heard from our parents or our forefathers, this is the month like childbirth is normally, if it happens or because of any reason or then it's difficult to survive of such fetus in the 8th month. There may be possibility or exception some children, but it's a disastrous month. It may cause problem to the mother as well as to the fetus. So this is the most crucial month and required a lot of precautions. Though I have not given the remedy here, Sneha ji, the bottom.
Any precautions you want to provide them?
Yeah, the precaution wise, I feel like the birth destiny and particularly the first name number, if they are not in sync, despite that, I feel like during the entire period, Mahamrityunjay is something, a mantra 108 times can be chanted. But the number, like suppose birth number is governed by number 6 of Venus, or destiny is governed by number 3, first name number is by 9, so 369. According to me, 6-3 may have conflict, or they are having conflict. Such situation, I must say this, the balance is required to be maintained or made. And there are certain balancing number. Remedies of those numbers can help the mother. Remedies of those numbers besides the Mahamrityunjay. Now we are coming to the final month, if I could say. Shape of the mother's womb, you could see that it's almost at the final stage. This is the 9th lunar month of 28 days. It is governed by number 1, again, the sun. Fetus gain understanding and control of own body. Now the fetus become like, controller, and on the way becoming person. Here that personality or a person, this is the month, is almost, because the body was almost done. Understanding starts, and how to control her, this fetus own like thirst is there, kicking is there, hunger is there. It starts controlling the body. This is the stage of the finalization of the body structure. Fetus can feel hunger, thirst. It starts sucking thumb. You must have seen a lot of pics. We are seeing that the fetus is sucking the thumb. It starts preparing to come to the world. That's a delivery period.
Yes.
This is the almost like in the family or most of the places in entire world, everybody knows which is apparent to the world, like just the happiness are about to come in few days. This is that period, and good atmosphere can give a good delivery, but suppressing or a bad atmosphere can give a bad delivery. And nowadays a lot of we are seeing that C sections are also happening. But in the ancient time or many parts of the world, even the Western world, they are opting for the normal delivery, which is always advisable. This is governed by number one. Remedy wise, if you ask me, then I can simply say that have faith in the God throughout this period. But yes, again, this number one, if it is imbalance in this period, the final crucial stage, it can be chanting a Bij mantra and pouring the water to the rising sun. Last but not the least, why I'm taking the 10 months, 10th month. This is the lunar 10th month, these crucial 28 days, the last one. This is again governed by the moon. Baby's mind and emotions are now active. It's the last phase and child is ready for delivery. Even the ninth also was ready, but this is the final stage. Safety of mother and child is required. Here that every step, whether they are going out or within the house, they have to be very careful, as both baby and mother are mentally, emotionally, and physically vulnerable. They're very vulnerable stage. Okay, child is born. You could see this picture here. So finally, and having his own birth number. Now the child is also having this independent birth number, destiny number, a zodiac number, and persona to the world. And the stage comes when the numerologist or the astrologers, they are going to give the name, which is called first name number and the full name number, which should be in the sync with the birth, destiny, and zodiac. Normally, children inherit. I'm giving you a secret here, the last line. The children inherit birth number, destiny number, zodiac from either parents. It always happens, either from father or from mother. Either the kid will be having the same birth number or destiny number or zodiac. This we can find very common. So any queries, it can be written to Nimru Yogi. And
Yeah. So thank you so much, Sumit for great insightful research.
yeah,
Thank you so much.
just closing it and Nehaji, I think though a very sensitive topic I have taken up today, I don't know how the reaction is going to come up. But
For
first,
sure, we will get positive reaction only.
yes, yes, yes. I think we learned the positivity during this entire slideshow. So numerology has a connection. I feel all these 9 months. I put 9 months because of the solar, but yes, in this slide you could see the 10. I divided into 10 solar months, and they all were governed by a particular number or a particular planet. So if they take the care is proper care is done or proper remedies are done, so like any person or any family can be blessed with beautiful kids, and which
But
is,
it was really a great research by you.
I don't know if this is research because it's already provided. I must say that the information collected by me, I cannot say that I'm initiator of this research, but I try to explain in my understanding and the simplest of the words. So growth with the growth beat, this is our first collaboration, and I must say that this growth and beats of hearts to the entire world, and like it should be, we are spreading the message of knowledge, because growth beat is also as you told initially that it is also promoting. the events, it's promoting the new talents, etc. And our platform Numerology is helping out from the numerology point of view these talents. Thank you very much
Yeah, thank you so much, Sumit
for
ji.
this collaboration. Will keep coming. So, guys, not only Nimroyogi, you can like, share, and subscribe, but Growth Beat also of Sneha Mishra ji, you can like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.